This video will show you how to change the background in your Explain Everything app. So you'll notice sometimes that there's two different versions of Explain Everything. Look on the bottom right hand corner. I have one Explain Everything that's a blue background with a white E and it says Explain Everything. And to the left you'll see Explain EDU with a white background and a blue E and it says EDU on it. Both are similar. I'm going to show you that when you open the Explain EDU, it looks like this, and Explain Everything also looks like this. When you select a new project in Explain Everything EDU, it will say start with and then these options. I'm going to jump back to the other one and show you that it does the same thing. Before, there was an option when you clicked new that you can select your background from this screen. That's no longer here, but I'll show you how to get your background. You'll select start with blank canvas, and on the bottom right hand corner you'll see a rectangle. That's the slides icon. Go ahead and click on that. And once that opens, you'll see a rectangle with some colored bars. You're going to click on that. And this is the page that you can select your different backgrounds. You've got grid lines and different types of vertical and horizontal lines. You've got different color options. You'll select whichever background you would like, and then on the top right hand corner, select done. And there's your background. That's it.